Okay, so today we're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 9's collection of Spigen cases. It's a lot of the same cases we've taken a look at before with a few subtle differences, so I'll quickly just run through them. First, right here we have the Slim Armor CS case. Pop that on. Slim Armor CS, as always, has a little slot on the back for a credit card. You can probably fit one or two cards in there, probably just one. I've never been a big fan of this case because I always have a wallet on me, so I don't really see the purpose for it for me. But I know a lot of people that do like to have their cards inside their phone cases. So the next we have the Liquid Crystal. So this case is a little sticky, which makes it easier to grip in your hand. But also I found it made it hard to fall in my keep in my pocket, right? Like sliding it in and out. That was a little bit more difficult than what I initially expected. So we'll pop that one back off. And then here's my favorite Note 9 case. Similar to the Liquid Crystal, so this is the Ultra Hybrid, but this is the see-through translucent Ultra Hybrid. It's got a few fingerprints there, but you can kind of see that this still shows off what the Note 9 looks like. Like, this is a very sleek looking phone. A lot of people aren't going to want to hide it behind a case. So this provides ample protection around the device, but also still kind of shows it off, which is nice to have. So we'll pop that one back off. It's a tight fit, which is good. Okay, so next up we have the Liquid Air. So this case, what I like about it, and it's different from other Liquid Air cases that Spigen has released, is there's sort of this geometric pattern on the back that gives the case a unique look, and it also makes it grippier to hold. This is one of my favorite ones in this collection for the Note 9. It just has a very nice feel to it, and it's also not too bulky. It's very thin, and it still offers a lot of protection. So now we're getting into some of the more heavy-duty cases. So this one in particular, this is the Tough Armor case. This has been around for a long time for various different devices. Super thick, very protective of the phone, and it's got a little kickstand that pops out so you can watch movies with it, with your phone kind of propped up on a desk or another flat surface. So this case in particular, this is the purple version. It also comes in this matte black variant here. So it really depends on what you want. If you want like a little bit of color, or if you're preferring a case that's more minimalist and black. There's a couple of other color options out there too that Spigen has. So we'll pop those back off. Now we're going to come to some of the cases that Spigen says are its most popular. So Rugged Armor here. Rugged Armor is very similar to this one over here, which is Liquid Air. Same kind of idea. Similar back, it's kind of brushed, which is really nice. It's got these two little grips on the sides too. All around protection. And it also raises the camera so that if you have the phone face down, it's not going to rub against the surface. I prefer the Liquid Air case over here as opposed to Rugged Armor, just because I like the look of the back of that one. So we'll pop that off. So other than the Tough Armor case, everything we've shown, so we have Slim Armor, Tough Armor, and now Neo Hybrid. These are Spigen's kind of like dual layer ones, where there's this TPU outer layer and then kind of rubber inside it to add for more protection. So this is the Neo Hybrid, another one of Spigen's popular cases. It's a little bulky, pretty tight fit, which is, I mean, good. You don't want dirt to get inside it. Got it popped on. So this one has, as I just said, the dual layer design. It's got a geometric pattern on the back. It's much thinner than previous versions of the Neo Hybrid I've used in the past for other devices, which is nice. So yeah, this is another good offering from Spigen. And that's it. That's everything that we have so far from Spigen in terms of their Note 9 offerings. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and be sure to check out our video review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9.